Hello student, we continue our paper 2 fourth chapter networking technology. In previous lecture we see the what is transmission media, how it transfer the electric magnetic wave, what is the types of this transmission media. Then we see the characteristic of this transmission media. See this, then we see the difference between LAN and WAN. Review the characteristic of this transmission media. The first characteristic is cost of media. How the cost will be defined for the media. While designing the network, the cost of media must be considered. This cost property is decided by the user as per application and standard resources, where installation required before we install any media. First of all, you have to prepare the actual layout of the network, then estimate the cable, and then we have to define the cost of installation. Then we have a bandwidth. This bandwidth is a measure of the capacity of the medium to the transmit the data, and this bandwidth of the cable is depend on our cable length. Most of this thing you have to define, remember for also our filling the blanks. Okay, from this characteristic of transmission media कंपल्सरी 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन है. एक तो आपको बोलेंगे डिफाइन एक्सप्लेन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया, अदरवाइज इट विल बी स्पेसिफाई द नेम एनी 3. ओके, then we have a band uses. For defining the band uses, it has the 2 types, baseband and broadband transmission mode. In the baseband transmission mode, the baseband devotes the entire capacity of the medium to the only one communication channel. For using the baseband transmission mode, we have to use the one communication channel, whereas the broadband, it is enabled the 2 or more communication channel to share the bandwidth of the communication medium. Again, for this you have to remember this for the fill up. Then we have alternation. This alternation is measure how much your signal will be weakness as it travel through a medium. When your signal passes through the medium, the part of signal is absorbed and make the signal is weak. Then we have a EMI, electromagnetic interface. It consists of the outside electromagnetic noise that distort the signal in a medium. Means it interfering the signal and make difficult for computer to decode the signal. And this is the characteristic of our transmission media. Then we start our first type, guided media. It is also called a bounded media. Okay, in some textbooks it will also referred as the bounded. Guided or bounded media means in this guided transmission media, if electrical or electromagnetic waves are guided along with the physical path, means it will be used the wired coated. In that you have to transmit our electrical or electromagnetic wave. There are the 3 types of cable in the guided media: twisted pair, coaxial and fiber optic. We see the one by one. In the exam, from this anyone will be asked for the 3 marks. In that you have to practice the diagram of that cable. Then you have to explain this diagram, how this cable will physical layout of that cable. Then we have to define the advantages, disadvantages or characteristic. Okay, otherwise it will be asked the difference between of this cable. Okay, then first we start the coaxial cable. First is a coaxial cable. See this diagram. ऐसे ही आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. This blue colors is a jacket. In that have a outer conductor. That is a shield. This jacket is a protective plastic covering. Then this outer conductor shielded. Then it have a inner that have a insulator, and in that have a center conductor. Okay. मतलब कोएक्शियल केबल में क्या है? फर्स्ट आउटर साइड इज अ जैकेट फॉर प्लास्टिक प्रोटेक्टिव प्लास्टिक कवरिंग. इनसाइड दैट हैव अ आउटर कंडक्टर शील्ड. इनसाइड दैट हैव अ इंसुलेटर. देन इनसाइड हैव अ सेंटर कंडक्टर. मीन्स दिस सेंटर कंडक्टर इज अ सॉलिड कॉपर wire or standard wire, where this outer conductor is a tube surrounding with the inner conductor, and this conductor is made up of the braided wire metallic foil. ओके, मतलब ये सेंटर कंडक्टर किससे है? सॉलिड कॉपर वायर. और ये आउटर कंडक्टर जो है वो इट इज मेड अप ऑफ ब्राइडेड wire and metallic foil, and this outer conductor is called as a shield. Okay, and then it will be served as a ground, and it always protect the inner conductor from the EMI. Okay, means this outer conductor is protect this inner conductor from our EMI. And then we have this insulator. This insulator layer keeps the outer conductor space evenly from the inner conductor. Means it will give the space, separate the inner conductor and the outer conductor. And this plastic jacket protect the cable damage from the outers. Okay, this is a coaxial cable. क्या है? This blue part is a jacket, is a plastic protective plastic covering. Then we have inside that have a outer conductor. Then we have a insulator. Then have a center conductor. This center conductor is made up of the solid copper wire. Okay. Then we have a outer conductors. It is surrounded this inner conductor, and this outer conductor made up of the braided wire and metallic foil. This outer conductor is called as the shield. Then we have a insulator. This insulator is used to separate the inner and outer conductor, and this outer conductor serve the ground and protect the inner conductor from the EMI. And this covering jacket, protective plastic covering jacket, is protect this inner whole conductor from the damage. Okay, then this coaxial cables have two type, thin net and thick net. मतलब thin and thickness, depending on that it has a two types. Okay, वो टाइप्स हमें डिटेल्स में नहीं जाना है, सिर्फ आपको नेम दिया है. मतलब थिन रहेगा तो वो थिन साइज में है, फ्लेक्सिबल है और इनएक्सपेंसिव है. वेयर जो थिकनेस नेट जो है वो थिक है, हार्ड है और एक्सपेंसिव है. ओके, सी दिस. तो कोएक्शियल केबल में क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स थे? द सेंटर कंडक्टर इज सॉलिड कॉपर वायर एंड स्टैंडर्ड वायर. The outer conductor form a tube surrounding the inner conductor. यहाँ पे दो है. Then this conductor made up of braided wire, metallic foil or both. The outer conductor is called as a shield. They serve as the ground and protect the inner conductor from the EMI. The insulated layer keeps outer conductor space evenly from the inner conductor. Then we have plastic jacket, protects cable from the damage. Then we have advantages. It is a good noise immunity, easy to install this coaxial cable, reasonable high bandwidth and low data error. It also have a automation less, okay, and have a better resistance to EMI. Okay, disadvantage means data security is low. Okay. Then we have a characteristic of this coaxial cable. Cost is relatively inexpensive. Install is relatively simple. The bandwidth is up to 10 Mbps. Then we have a capacity is 30 for thickness and 100 for the thickness. Then automation is less than for other twisted pair cable. Then it has a susceptible to EMI, और आप यहाँ पे better resistance to EMI भी लिख सकते हो. Platinum grade must be used in ceiling and walls. Okay, this is the characteristic of the coaxial cable. Okay, then we have a types of the coaxial cable, thicknet and thinness. तो thicknet में मैंने क्या बोला था, it is a thick, hard and expensive, मतलब costly है. तो thinnnet में क्या है, it is a thin, flexible to use and it is a inexpensive. Okay, there is this wires will be given thickness and thinness. See the wire thickness and thinness, where it will be give the name and range. Then we have a cable name. This is the types of the coaxial cable. डिटेल में नहीं जाना है, सिर्फ आपको नेम स्पेसिफाई किया है तो उतना ही आपको बताना है टाइप्स कौन से है. ओके, दिस इज अ कोएक्शियल केबल. तो कोएक्शियल केबल में हमने क्या देखा, plastic covering, outer jacket, inside that have outer conductor, then we have a insulator, then we have a center solid wire. सेंटर कंडक्टर क्या है, सॉलिड कॉपर वायर. उसके बाद आउटर कंडक्टर क्या है, इट इज अ ब्राइडेड वायर और मेटेलिक फॉयल. इंसुलेटर इज यूज्ड टू सेपरेट द इनर एंड आउटर कंडक्टर, एंड दिस आउटर विल बी प्रोटेक्ट from the EMI, where this plastic jacket is the protect from the damage. Okay, then you have to remember these advantages and disadvantages. मतलब अगर 4 मार्क्स के लिए आपको आया या 3 मार्क्स के लिए भी आया तो भी आपको एक एक एटलीस्ट दो एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस तो भी लिखना है. ओके, अगर आप यहाँ पे डेटा सिक्योरिटी लो लिखा है और एक डिसएडवांटेज आप लिख सकते हो तो बैंडविड्थ इज अ लेस, bandwidth capacity is less than the other and it is a more expensive than the twisted and fiber optic cable. वो भी आप डिसएडवांटेजेस इसमें लिख सकते हो. ओके, then we start. The second is a twisted pair cable. See this diagram, twisted, from the name twist, the two wires will be twisted, folded along with another. Okay, so see this diagram, this is the one wire and this is the second wire. These two wires will be twist the end between. This cable consists of the two wire conducting material with copper and insulated from each other by the plastic. Okay, these are the insulator. jacket, insulating jacket, means it will be twist and insulated from the each other by using the plastic covering coating, and these are the two conductors. Okay, and it consists of the two or more standard of the copper wire twist together. Okay, and this cable will be used to connect the PC to either hub or MAU man. Also, it commonly used in our telephone network, and mostly this twisted pair cable is used to reduce the sensitivity of our EMI. Then also it will be reduce the tendency of cable to radiate the radio frequency noise, because it will be used in our telecommunication system or telephone. Okay, these are two wire, it will be twisted in between, and this two wire consist of the copper, and this two wire will be insulated from each other by using the plastic. Okay, तो सिर्फ इतना ही डायग्राम आपको ड्रॉ करना है, इंसुलेटर बताना है और ये दो कंडक्टर है. ओके, सी दैट दिस टू twisted pair cable consists of two wires of conducting material like copper insulated from each other by plastic. It consists of two or more strand copper wire twisted together. It reduces the tendency of cable to radiate radio frequency noise. Again, will be this cable is used to connect the PC to either hub or MAU. MAU stand for media access unit, and it is most commonly used in telephone network, and it is also reduce the sensitivity of cable to EMI. Okay, then we have a types of the twisted pair. There are the two types of twisted pair, unshielded and shielded. From the name unshielded and shielded, where shielded twisted pair means these are the two diagrams shown, shielded and unshielded twisted pair. In exam otherwise it will be asked separately, और 4 मार्क्स के लिए दोनों भी पूछते हैं, तो डायग्राम भी ड्रॉ करना है और एक्सप्लेन भी करना है. तो shielded twisted pair means it is used metallic shield wrapping to protect the wire from the interface. Means this shielded twisted pair consists of the one or more. See this. This shielded twisted pair consists of one or more twisted pair of cable enclosing in a foil wrap and one copper shielding. तो ये जो अलग अलग टू ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल है वो किसके अंदर पैक रहते हैं, तो फॉइल शील्ड के अंदर. And this shield connected to the ground portion of the electronic device to which cable is connected. Okay, means this it will be used for the ground portion in electric reference point. This shielded twisted pair can be mostly used for the ground reference, and this properly grounded shield prevents signal from getting into or out of the cable. तो एक जैकेट है for protection the damage. Then we have a braided sheet. Inside that have a foil sheet. Means one or two twisted pair are enclosed within a foil sheet. Okay, in one braided shield, and mostly this will be used to connect the ground portion. Okay. This is a shielded twisted pair cable. Okay, then this shielded twisted pair have a cost is more. Then it requires the installation. Then it has the capacity up to 500 Mbps. then it has a attenuation limits up to 1000 meters, then it has a good EMI. Okay, these are the characteristic of the STP. Okay, then we have a shielded unshielded twisted pair. सिर्फ आउटर जैकेट है, उसके बाद ट्विस्टेड पेयर है, वन और मोर ट्विस्टेड पेयर एंड इट्स कलर कोडेड प्लास्टिक इंसुलेटर. तो मतलब क्या है, अनशील्ड ट्विस्टेड पेयर डज नॉट हैव अ ब्राइडेड शेड, मीन्स ब्राइडेड शेड एंड द अनदर इज अ फॉइल wrap. Okay, foil sheet. They don't have a braided and foil wrap sheet. Means this unshielded twisted pair does not have a braided sheet into its structure, but it is a characteristic of the UTP. It's same as our STP. It is this UTP commonly used in our telephone system. In some networks, UTP cable is used. Okay. This UTP consists of number of twisted pair cable only in one plastic outer jacket. Okay. This characteristic of this UTP is it is a cheaper than other. Then it is a easy to install. Then it has the capacity up to 100 Mbps. Then it has a same attenuation up to 100 meters and it does not have it has a more sensitive EMI. Okay, this is the unshielded twisted pair. और एक 3 मार्क्स के लिए आएगा, नहीं तो 4 मार्क्स के लिए दोनों भी आएगा. उसके बाद है लास्ट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द UTP and STP. See that this UTP consists of number of twisted pair with only plastic jacket, cover in plastic jacket, whereas STP also consists of number of twisted pair cables, but a shell usually aluminum or polyester between the jacket and pair. Then it is a UTP is inexpensive and easy to install, whereas STP is expensive and than UTP and difficult to install. This UTP bandwidth is a 1 to 155 Mbps up to 100 meters, whereas STP also 500 Mbps up to 100 meters. This UTP has a more attenuation and sensitive to EMI. Same STP is a less attenuation and EMI is reduced to shielding, where UTP is used in telephone system and STP will be used in LAN. Okay. Today we see this 4 cables, coaxial cable, then we see the twisted pair, then shielded and unshielded twisted pair. Okay, today we stop here, then we continue, then we see the last cable in next lecture. Okay, thank you all of you.